Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Hello, media. I want to say good evening to all Jamaican citizens and all of those who in the country and who is not citizens when they run off. We are going to find you and arrest you. But today is not about you. Today is a special press conference to launch the demo of a few weaponry that we have gotten. But before I go any further, I want to make an introduction of myself. But before I give an introduction, I want to talk to the media and tell the media that you need to be careful about how you write my name, because the last time I did a press conference, I was not pleased with how my name was written. So I want you all to observe the necessary punctuations and spaces so that I don't have any problems with you going forward. So for those who do not know, my name is Lieutenant C. Ratches of the Jamaican Defensive Force. Now, over the last couple of years, the Defensive Force have realized that Jamaica has been faced with many pestilence and harms us of all nature and sizes in criminal form. Let me consult my notes because I don't want to make any mistake. Now, Jamaica has since sought weaponry from our adversaries. I mean our emissary, our friends overseas, and we have gotten state-of-the-art weaponry that is designed for the Jamaican environment. Now, these weaponry is what we're going to use to break off the back. Sorry, that doesn't sound right. These weaponry is what we're going to use to break the back or broke the back of crime in this country. We want to eradicate the demon them, the criminal them. And as Capitan would say, we are going to burn them out. We are going to purge them out. We are going to slew them. So today we are going to be demoing the weaponry that we have gotten from overseas. And this weapon will be used to strategically go after these demonic elements, as I like to call them. So I'm going to ask you just to sit back and to take in the demonstration, and please leave the questions for after.
Kaboom!
And that.
Thank you for taking in the demo, and I want to make a special note to the Jamaican citizen that we are vigilant. We have the thing them out of luck now. We don't have to squeeze 7, but every single demon I gotta get cut down. Now my right tenant will come and will give necessary information and answers.